In today's video, I'm taking you through what's hot this spring in big box garden centers. From decorative pot trends to rare anthuriums hitting the shelves, this is your guide to what to look for on your next plant hunt. Hello, plant friends. Welcome back to Peggy's Plants. Spring has officially arrived, and that means big box stores are rolling out brand new pots, plant accessories, and yes, some surprisingly rare plants. I didn't say hard to find, I said rare. Today I'm showing you what's new for spring so you know exactly what to look for on your next plant hunt. Let's get started. This year's decorative pots are leaning into texture and color. I'm seeing matte finishes, sculptural ridges, and warm earth tones, terracotta, sage, soft neutrals, and lots of patterns and texture. They're perfect for collectors who want their plants to look curated. I have stuck with the white pots for quite some time, but I have to say, I really like these pots, and I have definitely started incorporating some of these patterns and designs into my collection, and I like the way it's turning out. It definitely adds some pop. Another big trend that I'm noticing this season is the self-watering pots. They are everywhere this season. Thankfully, the designs seem to be a lot more user-friendly. It's easier to remove the inner pot, and most of them seem to rely on the wicking system. That's all fine and good, but the standout in the self-watering pot category, in my opinion, is Urban Jungle, with these nice-looking, textured self-watering pots in neutral tones made from recycled materials. They're user friendly and come in a variety of styles to include hanging planters. I find these to be more attractive than the shiny plastic. These almost look like they're made of a clay substance or something like that, but like I said, they're made from all recycled materials, and I love that they are in neutral colors that would go well with most home decor. The final type of planter that I want to share with you before getting into some amazing plants is glass vessels. There's all kinds of glass planters coming on the scene this season, to include terrariums. Terrariums are making a comeback. Stores are stocking these mini ecosystems in glass vessels that are fully planted and ready for your plant shelf. They're very nice, and they're coming in large sizes as well as small. Now, this is a trend I love. Plants sold bare root in water. You'll find a wide variety of plants sold in these vessels, which is great for people like me who prefer to grow in leca. No more working to remove that plant from soil or transitioning it from soil. In general, it's a great way to inspect the roots before you buy and transition them into your preferred medium. And as you can see, I'm not just talking seedlings, I'm talking fully developed plants with fully developed root systems. Now let's get to the plants. At the end of summer, a variety of Hoyas were popping up at big box stores. Hoya collectors, good news, stores are still offering a solid selection. These Hoyas are being offered by Leaf Joy from Proven Winners, and hopefully we'll see even more varieties added as spring progresses. This is where things get exciting. Big box stores are stepping up their rare plant game. Some hard to find plants, which I found in the Central Florida area, include Labesia curacura, a gorgeous plant with beautiful textured foliage. As you can see, it's a nice sized plant, which was found at a grocery store for $40. Another surprising find was this beautiful Anthurium luxurians with these heavily textured, thick corrugated leaves. This one was found at a local big box store for $20. My most recent surprise big box find was this Philodendron varicosum incensi, which is being offered for only $20. If those plants aren't exciting enough, anthuriums are all over the big box scene this year. I'm not talking seedlings, I'm talking full-grown anthuriums with beautiful roots. These have been selling for $30 with the exception of a truly rare one, which we will talk about in a minute. The anthuriums that I have found have all been sold by Proven Winners. Most of them are hybrids, although I did find one crystallinum and for $30. full grown anthuriums for $30. And there has been a variety of them. So, whenever you see a cart of proven winners plants, you definitely want to pay some close attention and look for anthuriums. As if finding these anthuriums in a big box store isn't enough, the most shocking plant I found is this rare Anthurium dot block. This one is truly a surprise appearance, a highly sought after hybrid with incredible texture and structure. If you are someone who collects anthuriums, you know exactly how hard it is to find this plant and how expensive this plant can be. I found these at a big box store in Miami. So that's my new finds for spring in the big box stores. From trendy pots to rare plant drops, this season is shaping up to be one of the best for plant collectors. Let me know in the comments what you found in your local stores and what you're hoping to see next. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with your plant loving friends. Stay well, take care, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.